Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Been asked to have a look at this Worcester Bosch. The hot water is working fine on it, but the central heating isn't. It stopped working, but the hot water is working fine. They've had the domestic hot water turbine adapter repaired recently. It was leaking, so they got that changed. And since then, they got no heating. They got no heating. In this video, we're gonna hopefully diagnose it and repair it. And if you enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing I'm checking if the valves underneath are not closed. Right, the room start downstairs, that's in on position, so the demand is there, but the boiler is not heating up. The central heating is not coming on. The hot water is working fine now. Right guys, I've got the hot water tap open, the actuator is up, the adapter was changed a couple of days ago by someone else, another engineer, so that's up. Let's check on, check the tap out. Okay, that's nice and hot. Okay, and let's switch this off. The heating isn't working. And I want to see if this diverter valve goes down now. Okay, yeah, I want to see that go down now. I feel like that's faulty. Guys, the boiler's fired up on central heating. The diverter was not moving. It's moving very slowly. So this motor is faulty. You see. Brother, can you open the tap for me again, please? Just a bit, not too full.
See where the fault is?
Is the tap open?
Yeah.
Can you close it now, please?
It's closed now.
Right guys, I pulled the diverter valve out and I'm just pressing the lever down and the pump is running and it's pushing all the water towards the radiators now. So obviously that lever is working fine, there's no problems at the back of that. Just the actuator is faulty on it. Right, there's the diverter valve. Put my hand from the side and then keep that pressed here and hopefully you can see that pressed. Now the boiler is staying right. The boiler is alight now, and all the heating is going to that. All the hot water is now going to the radiators. So this diverter valve is, you see, still open. It's not going down. Right. It's just stuck in that position. Okay. Alright, and radiator pipes are hot now. So with that pressed in, and the radiator pipe is now hot now. So we need a new diverter valve on this. Okay. Right guys, I'm back here. I've got the new one. Hopefully that should do the job. I'm gonna put it in. And that's the baby we're going to change. Right, that's the new one. I'm just gonna press. So we're gonna give it about 2 minutes now. Right, guys, the boiler has fired up, and the heat's going towards there, and that's warming up. So I'm just gonna give that 5 minutes, and if you look, so the boiler's fired up, and the actuator's down this time. Can you close it now? Right, guys, sorted this one out. The diverter valve was gone on it. Somebody came down, changed the adapter on it, domestic hot water adapter, turbine adapter, but it was leaking. So it's been leaking onto the diverter valve, but he never realized the diverter valve was gone on it. So anyway, came down. The hot water was working, but central heating wasn't, because the diverter valve was just stuck in hot water mode. I've changed the diverter valve on it, and it's all working fine now. Central heating is working, hot water is working fine. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.